Our team name is Idea Innovators.
Our project name is Mixed Cycle.
Obesity is a complex disease involving other diseases like heart diseases, strokes, diabetes, etc.
Obesity is generally caused by eating too much and moving too little. If we consume high amount of energies, particularly fats and sugar, but we don't burn off the energy through exercise and physical activities, the high amount of sulfuric energy will be stored in our body as fat.
For this problem, we have created this project Fix the Cycle. The actual price of an original exercise machine is expensive. For clearing this problem, we have created this solution. We can write this cycle as an exercise.
In the Fixed Cycle, we have used pulse sensor. The pulse which reads the pulse rate of the person who rides the cycle. The pulse will be displayed on the LCD display. While riding, the pulse is higher than 220. It denotes as you need to go slow.
We have to wear the band and under it we have to place the pulse sensor. And we want to start to ride the cycle. The pulse rate automatically increases as we are doing the exercise. Our main goal is to help persons who are suffering from obesity.
Someone says that diet is good for health and strong people. But in other way we can say that exercise makes them strong and healthy. So we have invented this project. So in this project you can exercise and you can limit your pulse rate and you can reduce your weight.
Components we have used are an Arduino board which acts as the brain of the entire system. We have used an LCD display which shows the pulse rate on the screen. We have placed an pulse sensor which directs one's pulse rate.
Document and research is done by me.
Technical research is done by me.
The project hardware is done by mine. So let's get to the demonstration. There are two steps in riding the cycle. The first step is moving the cycle by riding on the road. And the second step is keeping our cycle aside and we can exercise using this cycle. So first step we are going to do now.
Before that, the important thing is you must place the hand at the pulse sensor. You should not remove it. Now we can see the initial heart rate. The initial heart rate is 125.
So while we are doing this exercise, we can reduce our weight and we can increase our pulse rate also. So the final heart rate is.
So we can see that our heart rate is increasing. So the final heart rate is 176. So we can get into second method, that is placing a cycle aside and we can go into exercise.
This is the second method. We can do the exercise while sitting on the cycle. So we can place our thumb finger on the pulse sensor and the LCD. We can see the pulse rate on the LCD board while we exercise. So I am placing my hand on the pulse sensor. We can see the reading on the LCD display. So the reading is now 109. So while I am exercising, it will increase. So now we can see the increases reading.
While we are doing the exercise, our pulse rate is increasing. We can see it on the LCD display that our pulse rate is increasing.
So while I am exercising, it is increasing into more number of pulse rate. So it goes above 220. We can reduce our speed and we can go to our normal pulse rate and we can start exercising.
We hope this project will help the suffered of obesity persons.
Thank you.